Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently install this Chicco KeyFit30 base onto your vehicle that has anchors installed. Okay, what anchors are these little bars you see right over here that allow your base buckle to clip on. So essentially all you have to do is take your anchor clip, push in until you hear a snap, just like a seatbelt, and it clips on. Okay, I have my first side done. Let me go ahead and do the second side. Right over here, I'm gonna push until I hear that click, and that's step one. Step two is very easy and simple and straight to the point. All you have to do is take this and pull up on it. Now you see when I pull up on it, there's still a little play. So what I like doing is I like putting pressure here while pulling up here to ensure that this base is securely onto the seat. Now because I'm recording on one hand, what I'll do is I'll bring my knee here. But usually I just push down with my hand. I'll push down with my knee, pull this as tight as I can, and now you see that the base is very securely on this car. It's not going to go anywhere. The last step is to take this strap, put it into the little pull strap storage, just like that, and your base is installed on the vehicle. Now all you do is take your car seat and lock your car seat into place, and when it comes time to remove the car seat has this little lever in the back that you lift up, and the car seat comes right out of the vehicle. And it is fast, efficient, and the best way, in my opinion, to put a car seat onto a vehicle. Now you can just use a seatbelt again if you wanted to. You can sneak it through and use a seatbelt that way. Again, you want to make sure the seatbelt is locked. I have more information on this on my seatbelt video when it comes to this car seat that I'll link to this video below. But I hope this helps. To uninstall it, it's very simple. You just lift to release, pull up on the base to take the pressure off, push this, push the other side, and that releases the base if you want to switch it to another car, etc. So thank you for watching. If there's any other questions or you want me to make other videos similar to this, comment down below. I read through all my comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.